Hey, what's up guys? It's SciTech City back again with another video. This time bringing you guys a 7-port super speed USB 3.0 hub from a company called Afendo. Now I have reviewed some of their products before. Please make sure to check them out on my channel here. So let's first look at the packaging here. Doesn't quite fit in the camera well, but here's the packaging. 7-in-1 hub. So you get 7 USB ports after plugging it into one USB port. And you can see that it features sleek aluminum design, and it's beautiful. I personally really like the design, and I feel that the design makes the product look more expensive than what it actually is. And it's compatible with any OS, Windows, Apple, or Linux. No software or drivers required, so you just plug in and go. So up to 5 gigabytes of data transfer, that's really fast. And on the bottom, we have some more information. On the top, we have a message from Afendo. On the back, we have some contact information and some uses for the USB hub. So that's the packaging. And let's look at what else comes in the package. So we also get a power supply and a USB 3.0 cable. As you can see, it's quite long and quite thick. Let me just untwist the cable tie here and show you how long it is. So it's pretty long. It's about, I would say, about 60 centimeters. So yeah, you can use this if you're using a desktop or a laptop or whatever. And the power supply here has an output of 12 volt and 2.5 amps. And input right now is of course 110 volts. And the benefit of having a detachable USB cable is that if your cable breaks, you can just replace this with another USB male to USB male cable instead of replacing the whole USB hub. Also, speaking of the power supply included in the package, as well as the USB 3.0 cable, the power supply isn't needed, I found out. You can just plug this in and there will be enough juice in here to charge your phones and laptops. But I guess if you're using this without a computer, so if you're looking to just expand the 1 USB to 7 USB, I mean 8 USB, because you will be using only the power supply, you can charge 8 devices at the same time. But when it's connected to a computer, I guess you would need to plug in the power supply to get optimal charging rates, because if you simply plug this into the computer and charge your phone this way, the charging speed will be the same as plugging your phone into the computer, which is much slower than having a separate power supply. So looking at the aluminum 7-port USB hub, there's a Fendo branding right there, and it's beautiful. There's chamfered edges on the edge, and it just feels solidly built. I feel like it's not going to break anytime soon. And on the bottom, we have a black plastic pad with 4 rubber feet, so it doesn't. And they really do a good job of helping the USB hub not move around on a desk. And we have an LED indicator. So on the back, we have power port. So you plug in the power supply here, and you plug in the USB 3.0 cable included, this to your computer. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just confirming. So you do get 7 USB 3.0 ports to use. So yeah, you can see that there's 3 on this side, 2 on this side, and 2 on this side as well. So I mean, I usually need no more than 3 extra USB ports, so I feel like this is great because I can just use this side. I mean, I personally really like the design of this, but I'm not sure if it's so intuitive to have cables going in all directions, because it might look messy. But I guess you can plug in your cables here and USB flash drives here to reduce the look of messy desk. And yeah, I mean, I guess there is really no way to make this design better, because other ones have a long row of USBs, and you plug in from the above to to the ports, if you know what I mean. So that looks messier than this. So I personally really like the design of this. And yeah, it's a great USB hub. If you're looking for a USB hub that's both attractive and useful and has really fast data transfer speeds, this is definitely the way to go. And I will link the product in the description, so please make sure to check it out. Yeah, so that was my review of the Afendo USB 7 port USB hub. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Please make sure to leave a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.